told me the truth even if it really hurt, cause you knew what I was worth. When you let me borrow money that you didn't really have, cause you knew what I was worth. When I was at my worst, you would tell me I would blow when I thought that I would burst. You taught me how to help others, and through that discovered how to put myself first. And here we are again, just confronting fears. Whether pain or gain is a bunch of tears. Blood, sweat, and tears probably disappear when smoke starts to clear. Their resistance near. Pay attention to the folks who are fanning the flames. They're the ones who matter most in the gravity game. When stakes weigh you down and they stay around to pick up pieces and you off the ground. That's love.
That's love. That's love.
Try to tell ourselves that we don't really need it anymore, as if $1 million or the bottom of a bottle or a car. I never cheated it before. So you started with the I don't need it, all I need is money. You can give it to me but you never get it from me. Yeah, you refuse to play but you were still in the game. Like it or not, let me explain. Now see, there's a tough kind of too much kind of not enough kind of rather rush kind of the abrupt kind of go nuts kind of hold up, maybe we should take it slow kind of when you know kind of started off as friends but then over time began to show kind. And if we love each other we can't stay together, we'll do worse the better, gotta go kind, and that's love.